Today is Sunday, October 12, 2019, Lentor Loop. This lizard is a bit darker in color, and actually I missed it because I just walked past it. It was in the shade. As you can see, it's not the orange green type. Now I shall go to the other side where I first saw him as I walked past. Now I was walking from that side. On the other end, walking past here, and you could literally miss him because it's really blended with the tree trunk. Now, where is he? You can see that he's really camouflage. I just happened to spot him, and from here you can see it's really not moving, and then in the shadows. So I just happened to spot him. As you can see, it's really hard to see him if you just walk past. Now this tree has many small leaves, and most of the Oriental garden lizards I see seldom go to this type of trees. I guess it's more difficult to climb. And there he is. He favors this tree, and I'm taking the video to record a different color of an Oriental garden lizard. Now this one looks pregnant or not. It's hard to tell. I should get closer a bit. Now there are joggers and cars around, but this road is rather quiet, and there are many trees. So they do have a choice of trees to go to. I shall just show the close-up of this dark brown Oriental garden lizard. Is a bit uneasy. I'm so observing him so long. He may make a move, or he may not. But that is it. The third Oriental garden lizard I see, either they look upwards or they look downwards. In this case, he looks upwards and he has a long tail. I estimate this one to be younger than the one with the orange and green colors, and bigger in size. This is probably a young adult or even a female. Now he's a bit worried now. He's going to climb up or not. It looks pregnant to me, but it may be just abdominal fat. I shall stop now. This is the Oriental garden lizard, Singapore, October 12, 2019, Sunday, around 9:30 a.m.